Hey guys, I don't picked up Tanya, and we are at a Ratchet bingo tonight. So we're gonna be playing bingo, and it's a Ratchet bingo, and it's a rodeo thing. So that's why we got on our cowboy hats. Tanya got the whole gear on. I'll show y'all her outfit when we get out of the car. Hey, y'all look at Tanya. She got on the whole gear. This Thanksgiving, I was spending with friends. They go Crystal. We're at Crystal's house. Tanya. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're about to eat.
We back.
Macaroni, greens, turkey and gravy. Got dressing, cornbread, sweet potato pies, and potato salad. And we about to tear this food up. Hey y'all, so it's Saturday after Thanksgiving. I'm about to do a one-day turnaround road trip to Charlotte. Going to hang out with a friend. We probably do a lot of eating, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Check out some restaurants and whatever we do. All right, guys. So I've made it to the restaurant. Our first stop is called Deluxe Dining, and if you are in the Charlotte location, this is on West 4th Street and South Mint Street. There is a mimosa. Yeah, this just a Coke. I ain't gonna eat this.
Now that's a pretty one.
I can take this to go.
Thank you, Sam. I'm gonna have to write a good review about you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies, for dining with us.
Alright, thank y'all so much for being here. I'm super excited, so let's do this. And so I have this sign as well. I'm gonna go ahead and make it on my tour. Awesome. And let's go. Alright. Oh, I need my key. Alright, grand opening. You guys come home. Customer please come. Customer first. Alright, y'all, this is how it looks like. This is the owner. Hey guys, so I randomly went on invite for Charlotte just to pull up something to do, and we came across K Kunda's grand opening. This is the owner.
Hi, everyone.
If you're in the Charlotte area, check her out. All right, y'all, so we made it down to Charlotte Small Business Saturday. Different vendors out here, so we're walking around to see what they have to offer. So we're about to go into Sea Grill. So we made it to another restaurant. It's called Sea Grill, and I'm going to try the grilled octopus to see how it tastes. This is octopus, and I'm trying it for the first time.